Hello, in front of me I've got Nothing Phone 3. In this video I'll show you how to enable power saving mode. In the beginning, let's go to settings of your smartphone. Now, go to battery saver, switch on, and now you can turn off at 90% or schedule battery saver. In the end, you can enable sleep standby optimization and charging assistant. If you find this video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.